Hey guys, it's me Elena. Today I wanna unbox with you a little angel, another doll by the Japanese doll company VOLKS. She is a coordinate model and her face mold is SDM-F-57. VOLKS coordinate models come ready to buy with a wig, eyes, clothes and face up. She is SDM, which stands for superdollfie midi, and her height is about 42 centimeters. I went there just to take pictures for new one-offs prepared for the 9th anniversary fair at the one of Tokyo VOLKS BJD stores. And unexpectedly, I ended up welcoming a little angel. Let's unbox her together and look closely at details. Her box is a bit smaller than the box of my other VOLKS doll, Jo March, unboxing of which you can also find on my channel or by the link which should appear for you in the right corner of this video. This box is usual for coordinate dolls. Psst, if you subscribe to my channel you won't miss any new videos about dolls. On the lid there is a pretty sticker which says that inside is a Super Dollfie Coordinate Model. On the background there is a vintage looking collage of different elements. A bit lower is information about the Volks company and their address. Box has a very beautiful light beige flower pattern. Overall the box gives very antique vibes, which I love. On the side there is another similar sticker. As this box is used for all coordinate models, there is no specific information about the doll inside. On the other side we see some caution information and also that this doll is for people 15 years old and up and it's made in Japan. First thing we see when we open the box is a set of different papers in a plastic bag. First is a little first-time usage memo. They worry about fragile face-up of the doll and other useful things for the new owners. On the back is the list of the stores in Japan. If you have troubles with your doll or with dressing it up, they can help you there. It's nice that VOLKS is very friendly to newcomers who have no idea about BJD and how to deal with such beautiful dolls. Another thing is a big and colorful user guidebook. It in details explains ball-jointed dolls, how to replace string inside them if needed, different body types and other useful information, especially for the people who are new to the BJD world. The best thing is that in this book everything is duplicated in English, so no worries if you don't understand Japanese. Another booklet explains different services for your dolls which VOLKS provides. Face-up service, different cleaning, restringing services and so on. There is also a convenient form to fill for those services if you need one. And for a lot of people it's the main argument which prevents them from buying a BJD. Next we see part of the doll's outfit. It's a pink flower pattern bonnet hat. You can fasten it on the doll's head with long laces which go all around the head. On the edge of the brim there is a thin line of pink fabric. On top of the head is a beige bow which is decorated with the same thick lace. Inside the brim has some kind of soft flat synthepon to maintain its shape. Here also is a wig. With my doll came a golden short wig with curls on the end and straight bangs. On the sides around her face also straight parts of hair. I find it very cute and suits her very well. Inside the wig has a light beige cap, so it won't stain the doll's head. There is also a classical VOLKS white envelope with the doll certificate. It has all information about the doll and name of the owner. Also, there is a form for refreshing her face-up service. And finally, under the fluffy white mattress, the doll herself. I love sleeping or half-closed eyes dolls so much. They're always so dreamy looking. However, I've never had one. Finally, my dream of owning at least one came true. Her skin color is white. She has a very gentle face-up with red cheek blush and gentle purplish shadows on the corner of her eyelids. Her brows are of a light brown color and match well with her wig. Eyelashes are also light brown, which makes the whole look even more natural and light. Her mouth is slightly opened and we can see white teeth inside. Her eyes color can hardly be seen and looks just black. I pointed my flash there and only after that I was able to see that they are pure blue color. Behind her head is a Volks plate which says that this is Coordinate Model. Inside, as always, her eyes are attached with a hot glue. Her default dress was one of the things I really liked about her. On top of the main dress she is wearing a beige apron. On the front there is a thick laces and 3 pearl beads. The skirt part is separated into 3 pieces with pink bows between them, 2 on each side. On the bottom there are 2 types of laces decorating it, and a third lace is under the skirt peeking out just a little bit. Straps have ruffles on her shoulders with the same laces. Behind they go to a crisscross. There are also 2 wooden buttons imitating straps fastening. The apron is fastened with a metallic snap, same for straps, so you can attach them as you prefer, crisscross or not. The dress itself is from the same flower pattern fabric as her bonnet hat. The collar, like the hat's brim, has a pink fabric which goes on the edges. The skirt part has ruffles and pin tucks on them. Sleeves also have 4 rows of pin tucks. However, with such motley patterns they are very hard to see. The sleeves ends also have ruffles and metallic snap to unbutton them and make the dress easier to put on without removing her hands. The dress fastens with a hook on the collar area and metallic snaps. Roll of her underwear is simple white pantaloons. On the waist area and around her legs they have strings. Another part of her outfit is a pair of very long socks. They go all the way under the pantaloons, so it feels like she is wearing tights. Her shoes are of a simple brown color made from a faux leather. Soles are brown and have a little heel. They have straps around the doll's ankles. They imitate buckles, but actually they are fastened with hooks. Pretty convenient, I must say. She is my first Volks Coordinate doll, first Volks doll of this size, and first doll with dreamy eyes. I think she looks like a little angel, and I am very happy about this impulsive buy. What do you think about her? Have you ever bought dolls impulsively? Let me know in the comments down below. You can get different Coordinate Model dolls at the stores in Japan or on the second-hand market. So if you're ever visiting Japan, this is a great gift and memory to bring back home from Japan. Super Dollfie midi dolls also can be purchased from the online American Volks store. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button not to miss any new doll-related videos. Love dolls and con con!